Hey, cool cats and kittens, let's mess with the algorithm again and forget about all the photography stuff for a second, and let's do a how-to install review sort of thing. This time we have the ALCA, the ALCA windscreen wipers. ALCA Germany, nonetheless. They come in the bag like this, and you get in the bag the driver's side wiper. You get the passenger side wiper. You get the rear windscreen wiper. And that's all you get. What more do you need? Now, first things first, what we need to do, well, I don't know if we need to, but I suppose we should, is lift its windscreen wiper arms up. But in my Kadjar, if you try to lift it, it will hit the bonnet, the hood here, and chip the paint. So, what we do is, the ignition is on, but the engine is not on. We just flick the wiper switch down and it lifts them ever so slightly. And now we have access to work on them. Don't worry about this, that is none of your business. Let's get the wiper. So this is what we're working with. Let's take it out of the box. What do we have here? Lots of bits and lots of bobs. Where did this go? I bet it's important as well. Instructions. Yeah, let's try without. Let's get this cap off first. Beautiful. Let's pull down. Hopefully it will. You stay here, you're gonna go there anyway. Whatever. Let's pull this down and see if it comes out or not. Something in those lines. I'm pretty sure you just have to pull down. Huh. Is there a clip? There is a clip. Ow! Bloody hell. Well, yeah, the clip. This clip. Up, down. Let's leave it right about there. That's the old one. Goodbye. This is the new one. What do I have to do with it? Do I have to put this thing on? Yeah. I mean, must I really? Doesn't matter which way it goes. Yeah, this way. Yeah, I had to go to the instructions. Shut up. Well, I did have to go to check in the instructions. I admit, defeat. So, let's put this, according to these instructions here, in like that and click it in. Now, this little cover thing should just about click in here. Right. And we are sliding it this way and then just up, and away. Close the cover. And we have, minus the protections, we have wipers. Let's do the passenger side now. This time with no... Oh, does this... No, oh no. We don't have a cover anymore. That's a shame. I would have liked to have this little clip on. Oh well. That's a shame. Let's do the passenger side one. This time with no instructions, he says. That's this beauty right here. Come on out, don't be shy. You're going in anyway. And, oh, instructions for this one as well. Oh, please tell me it's the same. What are you talking about? Well, I'm just gonna assume it's the same. Where's the other protector? I lost it already. Never mind. So, little clippy clip here goes in like this. Clickety clicks. This thing goes in here like that, and it clicks. And there we go. Twist, push. It's in. It clicked and it clicked. And we have a wiper. Let's check them out. Great result.